Hey guys, Lakesia here. I just received an order. So I had already started the video, but I had a visitor, so I had to start over. And in the order, I have my BF Elite liquid lipstick. We also have our Sensi-Wipes. And this is the Makeup Remover wipes. They are makeup remover wipes, which are alcohol free and no parabens, and they're great for all skin types. I love these wipes. And I got these samples of the VX Pro Camera Ready foundation and, Premier primer, strobe, and Premier. I also have a little bag, and then I have two of these, the double lash mascara that my mother-in-law loves, and I ordered these two palettes, the Rose Dune and the Desert Sands. And let's start off with the Desert Sands. And we discussed the mirror and this beautiful color here, which is beautiful. It's like a copper color. I don't know if you guys can see that too good. And I love this. I'm here for the sparkle. Oh my goodness, I'm here for it. Wow, that's amazing. I am here for the shimmer all day here. And that is just amazing. Now, this is a little smaller than, let's say, my Vivid palette, but hey, I love this particular palette as well. And it does have the mirror, and I love just all that goodness. You can see which one I love the most. Then we have our Glam Up palette, and the mirror again, and hey, then we have our Rose Dune, and we discussed this one right here, which is absolutely fabulous. I am here for the shimmer. And this one in the middle is like soft, but it is just amazing. Don't worry guys, I just washed my hands again to redo this, but that is amazing. I'm here for that all day. And then this shimmery color right here, and I was telling you on the first video that I'm going to redo that this color reminded me of a color in like the Too Faced palette, this color right here, which look at how small these are. But anyway, I just love this, and I am here for that purple all day. I seriously get excited when Farmasi makes a palette. I'm telling you, to me, they are second to none. I think I own like every palette that we have. I have the pink one as well, the blue one that's no longer being offered. But when Farmasi makes a palette, I'm gonna get it. I'm here for the palettes all day. And then we have the double lash mascara, and you guys know I told you that my mother-in-law loves this. I have given her several other different types of mascara to try, ones that basically were more expensive than this one, and she still loves this one because the first brush is for the length. And you guys, I have lash extensions, so therefore I do not use mascara at all, but this is what I was using when I didn't have them, when this was introduced. And she loves this for the length, and then because of the fact that you can get volume with this other brush, she simply loves that. Loves, and she always says, I need some more of that Farmasi mascara. So here we are. And this is a lip color. When I saw it in the brochure, I was like, I have to have that. I have to have that. Look how beautiful that is. Actually, I was looking at a video and I saw someone and they had a lip color on similar to this. And I was like, I have to find that. Farmasi helped me. And I looked in our brochure and I saw this, went to the website, looked at it and ordered it, and cannot wait to use it. Amazing. Is all I can say. Amazing. Amazing. If I didn't already have on a liquid lipstick, I would definitely put this on for you guys. But look at that. Look at the boldness. That is just amazing. And all the sparkles are from my first video with the eyeshadow. And even though I washed it off with soap, it's still sparkling. And I guess that's where the makeup remover wipes come in handy. But I did put a big line on here. That's amazing, guys. Amazing. So if you have any questions, then reach out to me. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Have a great day.